Lahat po yan kasi.
Oo.
Basically, 6 songs there, ako yung sumulat ng lyrics.
Mm.
And then the 2 songs naman, kahit hindi ako yung sumulat, it's Liza who wrote it. So, alam mo yon. Pero right now, siguro, in terms of my mental state and everything, it's really Shelter of the Broken.
So,
At
ito
saka
yung
nandyan ka.
latest na sinulat mo.
Yes. Yes, I wrote the lyrics. I wrote it during the pandemic. Pero when we released it kasi, it was the day after my mom passed. So sabi ko, ano ba yan? Parang sinakto naman ang nanay ko talaga. Oo.
So, sabi mo kasi parang 12 years or more than 12 years in the making.
Yeah.
So, dito makikita natin yung transition mo, basically, emotionally, mentally.
Yes. Opo.
Obvious siya dun sa ano.
Ako parang
yung-
ma-obvious mo.
Oh.
But siguro ang pinaka-running thread dito ay how personal it is for me. Kasi I mean, syempre of course, I've had original songs written by other people, and normally kilala rin ako to sing covers of different songs. Pero parang, ngayon ko masasabi na siguro I've gathered enough courage to really sing the songs that I write or I've written. Kasi parang, siguro ano siya, parang isa yun sa mga major fears ko eh. 'Di ba? Like, syempre parang for me, yung natatak kasi sa utak ko before nung bata ako na parang if you come up with something, you have to be sure it's successful. Kasi parang naka-ano siya naka-equate siya sa pag hindi ito kumita or hindi ito maging successful, hindi siya mag-hit. Paano yung trabaho? Paano yung, di ba? Anong pangkakain mo? Parang ganun. So for the longest time, nandun siya. And up until now, I'm still fighting that. Alam mo yun, na parang, that I can freely express what I want without being afraid of, hala, paano pag di nila gusto yung kanta? Hala, alam mo yun,
Alam
may
mo,
ganun siya.
doon sa, parang recent lang yung essay or yung article na ginawa ni Liza, na nilabas sa isang dyaryo. Parang nasabi mo nga yun, yung what if no one connects with the
Yeah, it's a
product,
fear.
what if, pero interesting sa akin yung what if I let people down, parang, bakit nasa utak mo yun na parang, although,
Yeah.
narinig ko naman yung song mo na kinanta mo sa OBP, parang it connects,
Siguro,
Yeah.
ever since kasi bata ako, I've been working. So, I mean, diba, while other artists see singing as an expression or as their art, malaki dun sa akin, percentage sa akin na I see this as a job that helps my family. And yun nga, parang with the recent passing of my mom, and of course my dad has passed na rin like 5 years ago. So ano na, certified ulila na to. Parang nagkakaroon ako ng mga introspection din, di ba? Na ano ba talaga ako? Alam mo yun. Ngayong wala na yung, kumbaga, nagte-tether sa akin so parang, am I now more free to really express things? Alam mo yun? Yeah.